So after a long gap, welcome back standard 11. We were in trigonometry second part. We had done in the last video page number 41. Today we are going to see page number 43. Just see some of the proofs in trigonometry. Prove that sine to theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is a very essential thing required in the future. Second one is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And the third one is, this is not that much essential, tan 2 theta is equal to 2t means 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. See the difference, the denominator is different. 1 minus t square means 1 minus tan square theta. So first of all we will go for this proof, and that is sine to theta. So LHS I will take. LHS is equal to sine to theta upon 1. So that is equal to sine to theta means sine theta plus theta, that in the last video I have explained you. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A into sine B, sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. This you remember, then definitely you can understand this formula. Instead of A and B, I can put theta plus theta, sine to theta. So this will be theta, this will be theta, this will be theta, this will be theta. Sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sine theta, and that is nothing but 2 sine theta cos theta. So this I will write directly 2 sine theta into cos theta upon 1 means sine square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of writing that, I will write cos square theta plus sine square theta. So up to this you know everything. So what I have to prove, here I want 1. Instead of cos square theta, here I want 1. So I will divide by the same thing. So I will do like this, 2 sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta. Here I want 1, so I will divide by cos square theta. So this numerator also I will divide by cos square theta. Plus here it is sine square theta upon cos square theta. So that is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta. 1 cos theta from the denominator will get cancelled, and that will remain 2 sine theta upon cos theta upon. Here it will be 1 plus this is sine theta upon cos theta and its square. So that is nothing but 2 sine theta upon cos theta means tan theta upon 1 plus sine upon cos is tan and its square, it will be tan square theta. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, and hence the proof you can go for that. Now this proof I will prove. For this also I will take LHS. LHS equal to cos 2 theta upon 1. Cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So here instead of writing A plus B, I will write theta plus theta. Theta plus theta means cos 2 theta. Here it will be theta, here it will be theta, here it will be theta, and here also it will be theta. Cos theta into cos theta, naturally it is cos square theta, minus sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta, upon 1 means cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now see in the proof, here I want 1. So I have to divide by cos square to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So cos square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos square theta upon cos square theta upon cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin square theta. So this cos square will get cancelled and it will be 1. This is minus sine upon cos is tan, it's square, so minus tan square theta upon this will be 1 plus this will be sine square. Here I have done something wrong, it is cos square theta. So sine upon cos is tan, so 1 plus tan square theta, and therefore LHS equal to RHS. This you have to go, these are very important. Take a screenshot, I am going to rub it, and I want to prove some other result, and that is the tan to theta. So hope that you have understood. So now the third proof, tan to theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Here also as usual we will take LHS equal to tan to theta. So what is meant by tan? Tan means sine upon cos. So sine 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. That is equal to, what is sine to theta? Just now we are saying 2 sine theta into cos theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. Now see in the proof here I want 1, so I have to naturally divide by cos square theta. So 2 cos sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta. Upon, similarly for the denominator also I will divide by the same, cos square theta upon cos square theta minus sine square theta upon cos square theta. Now see that this one cos will get cancelled with this and 2 sine upon cos will remain, so that I will write 2 sine theta upon cos theta upon, this will be 1 minus sine upon cos sine theta upon cos theta bracket square. You can directly write it as tan square theta, no worry. So that is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So hope that you have understood this, and this way LHS equal to RHS. I am very sorry for a big gap. So hope you have understood all this. So these are the very essential formulae. Now another formula in one video, I think I have given sin 3 theta, the fourth one. So the fourth one is sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. In one video I think I have given. So as usual we will take LHS equal to sin 3 theta, that is equal to sine of 2 theta plus theta, that is 3 theta. Sine of A plus B, sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. So sine of 2 theta into cos theta plus cos of 2 theta into sine theta. So that is equal to sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta into sin theta. That is equal to, see this now, 2 sin theta into cos theta, cos into cos will be cos square. So 2 sin into cos square theta, 2 sin theta into cos square theta plus, this proof is for sine, so there is no need of this cos square, and we know that 1 plus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here I will write 1 minus sin square theta. See this, for this I am writing this minus this sin square theta, and outside it is into sin theta. Hope that you are picking it up. So 2 sin theta into cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. Here also I want to change it because I want the proof in sin. So now I will see this. What happens? 1 minus 1 sin square minus 1 sin square minus 2 sin square theta into this is sin theta. So that is equal to, now I will multiply, open all the brackets wherever possible. 2 sin theta into 1 is 2 sin theta. Here it is minus 2 sin theta into sin square theta, 2 sin cube theta. Now this sin theta into 1 will be plus sin theta minus 2 sin square into sin. So that will be 2 sin cube theta. This 2 sin theta, this 1 sin theta, that will be 3 sin theta. And minus 2 to 4 sin cube theta. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Similarly, based on this, there is another proof of cos 3 theta. Take the screenshot because I am going to rub it. So now the fifth formula or the proof, cos 3 theta is just invert this. That means it will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is also a very interesting proof. So LHS equal to cos 3 theta. That is nothing but cos of 2 theta plus theta. That is nothing but cos of 2 theta into cos theta minus sin of 2 theta into sin theta. This is equal to cos 2 theta is cos of, directly I will write cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta into this cos theta minus sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is for this into this sin theta. That is equal to, now as the proof is going in cos, I will change this sign. So I will write like this, cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta into this cos theta minus this sine into this sine. It will be sine square. So 2 sine square theta into cos of theta. That is equal to cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. This minus will become plus cos square theta into cos theta minus 2 sin square means 1 minus cos square theta into this cos theta. That is equal to this cos square, 2 cos square. So it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Outside it is cos theta minus 2 cos theta into 1. It will be minus 2 cos theta. Now this minus and this minus will become plus, and 2 cos square into this cos 2 cos cube. So plus 2 cos cube theta. Now arrange this also, multiplication 2 cos square into this cos 2 cos cube theta minus this 1 into this will be cos theta minus 2 cos theta and plus 2 cos cube theta. So that is equal to this 2 cos cube plus this 2 cos cube, that will be 4 cos cube theta. And now minus 1 and this minus 2 minus 3. So minus 3 cos of theta. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. So hope that you have understood all these proofs. These are very, very essential. I will check whether any other proof is remaining. Another one is tan 3 theta the video will be of 20 minutes, I think so. Tan 3 theta, that also proof we will give. Take a screenshot if you need. Another one proof is of tan 3 theta. This may be the sixth proof I feel. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This proof is also an essential proof. It is not generally used anywhere, but in the question sometimes in the 11th standard at least it is used. So LHS is equal to tan of 3 theta. That is equal to tan of 2 theta plus theta. So that is equal to. Now you see the tan of A plus B formula, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. The same formula, here it is 2 theta, here it is theta. So at the place of A I will write 2 theta, at the place of B I will write theta, and similarly in the denominator also. So this will be tan of 2 theta plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan A into tan B means tan of 2 theta into tan theta. So that is equal to. Now what is for this tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta is 2t upon 1 minus t square. T means tan theta. So this will be 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta. This part is of the numerator. Now I will go for the denominator. 1 minus, this is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta into this much part I have written here. Now this is into tan theta. Now this is upon 1 and I will do the cross multiplication. So this is nothing but 2 tan theta plus tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the numerator part. And now for the denominator, this I will first of all resolve. This is 2 tan theta into tan theta is 2 tan square theta. 1 means 1 upon 1 you can write. So take a cross multiplication of this one with this. So 1 into 1 minus tan square theta. This part is done. Now this is minus 2 tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Check this. This is 1 minus tan square theta. This is 1 minus tan square theta. And this will get cancelled. So that is equal to. Now what is remaining? 2 tan theta. Immediately I will break this also. 2 tan theta. Tan theta into 1 tan theta. This is minus. This is plus, so it will be minus. Tan theta into tan square theta, that will be tan cube theta upon. The numerator is solved. Now this 1 into this, nothing happens. So 1 minus tan square theta. This will be minus 2 tan square theta. And that overall result is 2 tan theta plus 1 tan theta, that will be 3 tan theta, minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3 tan square theta. So this way LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and hence the proof is over. Check it whether you have understood or not. Write in the comment section. You are not giving the comments at all, likes, etc. Nothing is there. Just the passive work is going on. So okay, goodbye till then.